Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing a living room tour with thrifted pieces. So I'm going to be showing you what the state of our living room looks like right now. I haven't changed anything since like after Christmas. Like I did like my normal stuff and then pretty much everything has stayed the same. So if you guys have been watching my channel, watching my videos this year, then you know that we have added 2 new additions to our living room. One being a new rug that you guys kind of see behind me, and then another one we completed an entryway wall. It's something we've been wanting to do for a while. And anyway, it was just simple things with paint, lots of thrifted pieces, and there is a ton of thrifted items in this room. You guys know that I love thrifting. I work at a local thrift store. I love styling thrifted pieces. I love wearing thrifted clothing. This dress I thrifted a few weeks ago, and it's just right up my alley. I love it so much. So my hope here on my channel is to share not only, you know, home decor and whatnot, but the main thing is to just share that you can truly make a space beautiful, make a beautiful wardrobe, if you will, and you can do it like by spending next to nothing sometimes. So you can save so much money shopping secondhand. Like, it is mind-blowing. Once I go through this room and show you guys all of the things that are thrifted, you're probably going to be shocked. Some of you might not even believe me. I get that comment a lot. You know, people will joke and say, are you sure you got all this thrifted? Sometimes I just don't believe that you got all of it thrifted. There's no way. Those are too good of finds, you know? But believe it or not, it is true. I find really good things thrifting. I know there's so many other people that do too. So here at The Simplistic Home, I always share intentional living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. With intentional living comes with saving money, trying to cut corners with budgeting and whatnot. I do that with thrifting and decorating affordably in that category of my home. So anyway, for today, I'm going to be taking you on a little room tour and pointing out all the thrifted things, and hopefully you will get some decorating inspiration along the way. But we're just going to go ahead, we're just going to go for it. So okay, so I'm going to be talking a lot through this. But bear with me. I promise there's lots of good things in this room that you guys will want to see. So for starters, we'll just go ahead and start right here. So when you first walk into our home, doors right there, so I can get it to focus, you see this entryway wall. So I have an entire video on this entire thing. If you want to give it a watch, I will have it linked down below. But almost everything you see here is thrifted. All of these frames are thrifted. I actually added in a new little addition the other day. This one is only $2 at the thrift store, and I thought it was super cute with the boats. So anyway, all of the frames are thrifted. And then the other thing on here that is thrifted, so the basket is secondhand, the florals are thrifted. Also, the little, I don't know, bench thing we got going on here, that is an old entertainment center. I found it at the thrift store for $18. We painted it. I need to touch up a few of the spots because of baskets coming in and out of there. But yeah, so this is basically, this entire wall was thrifted. All we did was paint the shiplap that we already had there. So let me give you a closer look at some of the frames and the florals. All right, so a closer look at some of the frames. Most of these were anywhere from 50 cents to $1 and $2, depending on the size. But all I did was go to Etsy and I bought a, I don't even know, like a photo, like PDF of like over 300 photos. And I simply just printed them off the size that I needed and stuck them in this frames. Very, very inexpensive project. And then as far as the florals go, I found these at the thrift store several years ago. I used them year after year, and I just stuck them in this little basket that I got secondhand as well. So both of these things are something that I've had for several years. I bring them out every spring, but I thought adding them to this wall this year was the perfect little touch. So this is thrifted area number 1. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and move to the middle of the room here, which is clearly like seating and whatnot. So anything that I can have linked down below, I will link for you. I will try to point out anything that is secondhand, and if you have questions about anything else, feel free to let me know. But one of the things that has made a drastic difference in our home is this rug. So I will definitely keep this link down below. It is the Loloi brand, and you can find these on like mega sale on Wayfair a lot of the times, and sometimes Amazon as well. But been the perfect addition to warm up this space. But as far as thrifted things go, our coffee table, we actually bought that secondhand from family. It is a great oversized coffee table. This drawer does open. It's filled with our boys' toys and whatnot, so I love that. And what else do I have on there? The books. Thrifted books are always a go-to for me. I love those. I love finding them in like this pretty like matte finish, and just looking for different colors and whatnot. So I do have that, just have a plant and stuff on there. And then any of the pillow covers and stuff that I can link, I will link down below. The blanket you can get from Amazon. So I like to mix and match patterns and stuff. That's something I've been doing lately, and I love this. So I've had this blanket for a while. I can have that link down below. Also, this pillow was thrifted. Found it this year for like $2. Love it. It just adds a lot of character to this couch, and just some more like texture and whatnot. That is a pillow cover behind it, and all of those are pillow covers as well, all of which came from Amazon, so I can link those for you too. And then as far as this goes, we've had this up here for a couple of years now. Those sconces are from Amazon too, so I will have those linked. I actually have a whole Amazon storefront that I will link down below. So that is an affiliate link. So anything you purchase from that, I do make a small commission. So I just wanted to throw that out there. But anyways, yes. And then these are also pillow covers as well on our love seats. So this is what these look like up close. This one, it's more brown in person. I feel like it's coming off more like rust on camera, but it's definitely more brown. And then I love this one. This is so pretty. This is a pillow cover as well. It was only like $10 on Amazon. I love it. I thought that was a fantastic find, and it matches our rug really well too, oddly enough. So there are those. And then this blanket I've had for years as well. As far as another thrifted thing, we have this lamp and table. So this lamp here, I love this. It's just like an old school like library lamp, and I love it. I found that for $8 at the thrift store, along with this table. So I just have some books under there and a basket that has like our Wi-Fi and all that jazz. But on the side, one of the things I love about it is that it has a lot of detail and stuff, and I got this for $10 at the thrift store. Such a good find. I found the table and the lamp around the same time, and I was pretty happy about that. And then on this side of our room, we have our fireplace, and I have a little chair over there as well. So the fireplace my husband actually built from scratch, so there was no fireplace here at all. It was just a blank wall, and he built it from scratch. So I plan on doing a video a little later in the year just on all of the home projects that we have done since we've lived here. We've been here for over 7 years now, and you know, just each year we've gradually started something else and added a new project in, and this was one we did several years ago. But anyways, yes, so the fireplace was a complete DIY. But as far as thrifted pieces, I do have this crock. I absolutely love this thing. I got this I think at the beginning of the year. I can't remember exactly, but I just love the texture that it has, and just the coloring is very pretty. And then on this side, the candlesticks are thrifted. I love looking for candlesticks. Those are, I would say, a hot commodity right now when it comes to thrifting, and I've had mine for several years, but I do love them. It's just a nice staple. As far as this corner goes, I just like to keep a chair over here all year long, other than Christmas time. I actually keep our Christmas tree here. Also, side note, I typically don't have this large pillow here. We're in the middle of remodeling a laundry room, and I normally keep all of my pillows in a little storage closet that is connected to the laundry room. So this is what it typically looks like. Just very simple. But this chair was actually another thrift find. I bought this one several years ago as well, and it was only like $27. Love it. It's one of my favorite finds, and it's a really good staple in our home, and I feel like it fits this corner perfectly. Okay, the next thing I'm going to mention is this piece way back here. So I will get you closer to it. This is actually our secretary, and it's like a secretary cabinet. So it does, like, the actual doors open up. Okay, there we go, that's better lighting. So anyways, yes, these doors open up, which is super nice. We used to have this in our kitchen and used like our coffee mugs, or stored our coffee mugs in there. And we decided to bring it into our living room because this part here, this area does fold down, so you can use it as a desk, which is super nice. And then those drawers are just like storage, you know. So this little chair does not go with the secretary. This was actually my father-in-law's when he was little, and he gave it to my boys, which I think is super cool. So that just sits over there for whenever the boys want a little chair in here or something. It's just kind of there. It's just really cute. And then the clock wasn't secondhand, but I found that on clearance. So I also shop a lot of clearance, and this was $9 at Target. So it's a really good find. But anyways, another thrifted piece that I have over here is this trunk. I bought this several years ago as well. It was a Facebook Marketplace find. It came with other baskets too, and this is just full of my boys' toys again. So if you are a parent and you just need very practical storage but pretty storage, try to find a trunk. Like I said, found mine on Marketplace. You can find them at a lot of different thrift stores and, you know, things like that. Also in store as well. And then, like I said, our coffee table does open up too. So that is where they store their toys, in this room specifically. But moving along to this side of the room. So this room right here, this door, that is actually a laundry room that we're working on right now. I'm filming all of that, so I will show you guys that at a later date, but I am so excited with how that's turning out. But anyways, as far as thrifted things here and like DIY, almost all of this again. So this bench was a thrift store find several years ago. It was around $40, which I personally thought was a fantastic price for this bench. We have used it in lots of different spaces in our home, and we love it. And then let's see, the baskets up here, the middle one was a secondhand find, and then the two dark ones on the sides, those are actually chargers for a table, and we just nailed those up to give that basket look. Those have been up there for a very long time as well. But this DIY was very simple. We just simply stained a piece of wood, put it across there, added the hooks, and then did like the two-tone wall look. So really love this area. It's just very easy to throw on shoes if you want to, or if you want to just decorate it, you can do that too. And then on this side, this is the last little area in our living room. One of my favorites. So we painted that shiplap the same time we did our entryway, and almost everything you see over here is thrifted too. So I wanted to point out this runner. This actually matches the area rug, and this one got on Wayfair as well. I will have it linked below also. But one of the things I wanted to mention is that, like I said, you can get these Loloy brand pretty inexpensive. So this one was, I think, like $35 or something. The last time I looked, they didn't have this size. This is one of like the smallest sizes, but the one like the size above it was like $55 or something like that. So still fairly good price for this brand of rug, and it's just so soft. I'm typically not a brands kind of girl, like I don't care, but they just have really nice rugs and I'm hooked. So I wanted to point that out there. But then this buffet was actually secondhand. This was given to us. It used to be my in-laws, and I have a video on me redoing this as well. But I just, you know, got rid of the veneer. It was in pretty rough shape because it had been in storage for a really long time, and the veneer was just coming off. So anyway, I finished the job and took the veneer off, painted it a matte black, and then added some hardware, and I used Rub and Buff on the hardware because it was originally black, and I liked the more bronzy look instead. And then the little stool next to it with the plant, that was secondhand as well, along with the plant. And then the things on top almost all of that is secondhand too. So the lamp I actually found at a thrift store for $8, came with the shade. So in my opinion, that was a steal. And then these three things here are some of my all-time favorites. The taller photo, like this one right here in the back, that one was a secondhand find from a friend, and she gifted that to me, and I love it. I use it year after year during the spring and summer. And then this one here was a thrifted frame, and then I added in the Etsy art that I found. And then this little guy here is a copper chamber stick candle holder. It kind of looks like a flower, so I love that for spring and summertime. And I found that in a set of 2 at our antique store for $12.99, I believe. So that was a really good find. It's something unique. And then over here, the little wicker bottle, that was a secondhand find. And then these stems, these came from Amazon last year, and I will have them linked down below, but I love them. They're very realistic looking, and I love how like wispy they are. It looks very lifelike in my opinion. But as far as what I have next to it, I found these tulip like tea light candle holders. I bought those secondhand for 10 bucks for the set, and then these little books here came from a like vintage market back in the fall. But I love stuff like that. I just feel like thrifting and shopping secondhand, you can add such character to your home. And yeah, I don't know, I'm sold. I've been doing this for several years now, and I love it. I love that it's becoming like a popular thing. So but as far as the wall goes, the mirror, I get questions about that a lot. Unfortunately, I don't have a link for that. That came from Kirkland's several years ago. We bought it on clearance, and I've never seen it again. So you might be able to find something similar, but that's the story behind that. And then the little candle sconces, those were actually gold originally. I actually have a video on that as well, doing this entire wall and step by step, but those were gold originally, and I spray painted them a matte black. And then the candles inside are actually just battery operated candles. I don't think I have batteries in there, otherwise I would turn them on. Nope. Oh yeah, it does. There you go. That's what they look like. But yeah, so I really love that look. I think it's very sleek and pretty, and kind of gives like a kind of traditional home charm there, kind of old school. So that is the story behind this whole thing. So like I said, almost all of this is thrifted. There's so many thrifted pieces in our home. That I have for today's video. I hope this video will give you some inspiration, not only on decorating but also thrifting. Maybe it kind of inspires you to just keep an eye out for certain things maybe that you didn't think about. You can find so many great things thrifting, so I hope this video gives you some inspiration, gives you some ideas on what to look for while thrifting. And as always, thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you, and definitely hit that bell notification, that way you're notified every time I post. But I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.